Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time I want to explain my experience after I read this book, The Art of Being Alone, and my strategy when I read this book. For the first, during after reading this book, I learned that uh, reading has many approach. But honestly, I'm not uh, I'm not type of the reader who use special strategies like skimming or scanning only for myself. My way of reading is very simple and natural. I read when I have free time without any plan or specific target. And then my reading habits happened by accident. By accident, I often read the book The Art of Being Alone when my phone low battery or my phone to charge. I could to play my phone, so I use that time to read this book. When I read, I use it when I had charge. For me, reading is a relaxing activity that happen naturally. And next, even though I read a simple way without any special strategy, I feel a deep charge after reading the art of being alone. After reading this book taught me that being alone is not something to be afraid of. I realized that for a long time I was too scared to be seen alone and have about the free time. Yeah, this is. But actually, being alone is the time when when I can really know myself better. There are some there are some important point when I read this book. Yeah, for the first, I say that's being alone. There's being alone, and there is being lonely. This is very different. Being physically alone is not the same of the same as feeling lonely. Yeah, the same as feeling lonely. The second, I realized that the fear of being alone is actually taught by our environment science childhood, not something we are born with. Yeah, we are born with. From this book, yeah, read this book. I understand that academic reading and casual reading are different, but I also learn that reading is still reading what matter most is what we take from it. Yeah, take from it. For me, this book, The Art of Being Alone, not just why pass the time. It's become a reminder that I can learn many things from a book, even if I learn without any special strategy, only from myself. Yeah, relax read. If I have free time, yeah, only. Overall, this this read this book I read this book opened my eyes. Reading can be done in many ways. I choose the way that feel most comfortable for me, which is reading casually when I have free time. When I have free time, but I also learned that every reading can have meaning. Yeah, can have meaning as long as read with our heart and awareness. I don't need to force myself to use certain strategies because that matter most to me is the chart. I feel after reading, which is knowing and accepting myself, it's better than before myself. Yeah, this is for me. Maybe enough for my explain about this, my strategy or my experience if I read this book. Okay, I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.